Past simple.
Past. Past. Perfect.
Past.
Present perfect.
Okay, some students are physically present but mentally unavailable.
Simple और perfect वाला तो नहीं हो गया. Past simple बोला था.
Yesterday you learned present perfect, right? Fine. So if you are remember, so yesterday I have given one task to you. What was the task?
Clear. Okay.
What homework I have given? Anushka? Sir, AC.
Is 26 4. फैन के फोन पर मॉर्निंग में जब आते हैं तो इतनी इसी के लिए
Actually, all the system is on. Because of that, it's releasing. Okay, so as I have given you the topic to write,
Yes, ma'am.
how many of you have written it? Are you a special student? Then आपको होते ही नहीं होगा घर पे. She has done it. You have done. Those who were present yesterday, they have done it. Except him. What about you? Homework sound like हम स्कूल में दोबारा पहुंच गए. But it is necessary. अभी जो ये बैच बनाए स्पीकिंग बैच बनाए तो ये मैं आपको बहुत स्टार्टिंग से लेके जा रही हूँ. ठीक है, क्यों? क्योंकि अभी हम जो है बीच में अगर मैं हैवी टॉपिक्स आपको दे दूंगी तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड टू स्पीक ऑन दैट टॉपिक. ओके, तो अभी हमारा जो है मोटो क्या है? हमारा मोटो ये है कि फर्स्ट वी विल एबल टू स्पीक अबाउट एनी पर्सनालिटी. अगर हमें कोई भी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में बोलना हो तो हाउ कैन वी स्पीक अबाउट दैट पर्सनालिटी? Okay, that person can be anyone. Second हम चलेंगे place के बारे में. Suppose if I have given you the topic like talk about Qutub Minar, talk about Red Fort, talk about Taj Mahal, talk about Jama Masjid. Are you able to describe the demographic of that place? Right? So person, place, and then we will talk about the things. How to describe a thing. When these three things will be done, then we will move towards the ideas. Okay. Then we will talk about the any thing which is abstract. जो चीजें हमें नहीं दिखती है. For example, love. For example, hatred. Are we able to describe about this thing? Okay. ये हमारा जो है स्टार्टिंग के टॉपिक्स होने वाले हैं. फिर उसके बाद मैं आपको जो है टॉपिक्स दूंगी अच्छे खासे जो कि हमारे करंट जो है डे टू डे लाइफ में चलेंगे. Got it? Yesterday I have described you about that how to introduce, how to talk about any person. Can anyone tell me that the 5 points to talk about a person? क्या क्या चीजों से अगर मुझे स्टार्ट करना, मुझे नहीं पता मैं कैसे एक इंसान के बारे में बोलूं तो क्या स्टार्टिंग 5 पॉइंट्स जो है स्टार्ट कर सकते हो अपने कॉन्वर्सेशन या अपने स्पोकन में. कल जो मैंने फॉर्मेट बताया था. Who is the person? And appearance. Okay. Qualities. Okay. Work. What that person does a work. What that person work. And then last one is importance. importance, right? So first I would listen those who have already prepared. जिन्होंने लिखा है मैं उन सबको सुनना चाहती हूँ. Okay, so let's start with Shivani. And then why not you? हाँ ऐसा क्यों है? Hmm. Speak about your topic. आजो. Hey, you want to become a good speaker? Come, clap for her. कौन से देखे वो? हाँ हाँ यूज करो. आपने लिखा किसके लिए?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Shivani. My topic is police officer. Police officer. How to become police officer? And here are qualities. He is the person who protects people and enforce the law. And it is work a police officer maintaining law and order. For example, crime, arresting criminals, traffic, traffic control, stop crime, and helping people in emergency. Then efficiency, efficiency. Yes, appearance. Then appearance. A people officer usually wears a neat and clean uniform, looks physically fit, confident, and alert. Then qualities. A police officer should be honest, brave, disciplined, responsible, and helpful. And then importance. A police officer is most important in society. Then maintenance law and order, protect people, prevent crime, and keep society safe.
Good. Okay, so whenever you are talking about any personality, 5 points you will be talking about who is that person. Okay, so police officer is a person who क्या करता है वो अब बताओगे आप. Police officer is a person who maintain law and order, who protects the who work for the nation and who serves the common people, right? And if we talk about that how that person looks, so uh, he wears a uniform which is given by the government, right? And he also it has a stars starting from the 1 star to the 5 stars. Okay, and you can also understand by this star what is the rank of that person, right? Generally, the dress color is brown, right? And you can also understand, you can also differentiate the different position by the cap as well. Okay, as those who are constable, they have a different cap, and those who are a IPS officer, they have a different cap. Okay, if we move towards the what is the job of police officer. So police officer job is to protect the nation, to maintain law and order, and if there is any dismaintenance happen, okay, any chaos happen, any violence is there, the police is there to serve, right? Serve the nation. Next, if we talk about that, what is the importance of police officer? So there is the huge importance of the police officer because without law and order, a society does not live properly. Okay, to maintain the proper law and order, we need some person to look after such kind of crime. Okay, And that is why for running a nation, a police officer is required. Now, after fifth point, you will be talking about your own opinion. अब आप खुद के opinion बताओ. Okay, I think police officer job is very hard work. Okay, because it is not an easy task to maintain whole the nation and whole the area, right? And sometimes they have to deal with the heinous crime also and heinous criminal as well. And if we talk about that, the power, who gives the power to the police officer? Now we have a defense ministry. Defense ministry gives the power to the police officer. But sometimes because they have a limited power, they are not able to work properly. As we can see that most of the time, the Delhi former chief minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, used to say that he all the power the police officer does not have a fully power. Those who are in government, they are just ruling that officer, right? Those who are in power, they have the police officer in their hands. Present time, if I talk about, so if present time, if I talk about, the police officer does not have the freedom to punish anyone. Okay, sometimes police officer also become a sycophant of the ruling party. Whatever they command, they do it. And I believe that if we are living in a democratic country, so police officer must have freedom to punish the criminals without thinking that who is in the power. That's it. ये मेरे लास्ट के पॉइंट है. पहले 5 पॉइंट्स आपको बोलने हैं जिससे आपकी स्टार्टिंग होगी, फिर अपने ओपिनियन पे आ जाना है कि व्हाट दैट पर्सन इज. Okay, what do you think about that person? So next, I'm going to give chance to. Ready? Clap for him.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Abhay. Today I am going to talk about engineering. First of all, what is engineering? Engineering is the profession who acts like a bridge, the gap between scientific discovery.
One thing. Who हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? कौन पर्सन के लिए. ठीक है, अगर मुझे किसी भी पर्सन के बारे में बोलना हो और दो सेंटेंस को आपस में जोड़ना हो तो मैं किससे ज्वाइन करूंगी? हु से. जैसे पुलिस ऑफिसर इज द पर्सन हु प्रोटेक्ट्स द नेशन. जब भी आप पर्सन के बारे में बताओगे तो हु का इस्तेमाल करोगे, या फिर किसी जस्ट प्रोफेशन के बारे में बताओगे, किसी चीज के बारे में बताओगे तो वहां पे आएगा विच. अभी वो विच वाली लाइन बोलना.
What is engineering? First of all, what is engineering? Engineering is a profession which act like a bridge the gap between scientific discovery and daily human needs, shaping everything from the infrastructure and transportation to the software and medical device. Basically, engineering is that invent the things for the better and easy human life. Nowadays, from middle to software apps and car, bikes that we use in daily life, all are built or invented by engineers. Quality of an engineer basically he should be curious, creative, risk taking because he is going to build and invent something new. There are many type of engineer in different fields like software engineer, mechanical engineer, civil engineer, many more like electrical engineer. The software engineer builds softwares and apps for our daily use, and mechanical engineers build many transportation like from car to airplane or a rocket. Civil engineers build the infrastructure. They are important because they are make our life easier. Nowadays, they are not making only life easier; they are making many profession easy too. Like before a doctor take 1 week to analyze any report of a patient, now she can do in a 1 day. The availability of teacher is 24/7. That clear the students doubt. Thank you.
Okay. Students on your own, without any help.
Yes, sir.
Next, clap for her.
Good morning, everyone.
Proper body language. ये नहीं करना आपको. Proper body language में आना है. Yes, you can. Why you are sitting at the corner today?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. This is Tanudagar, and today I am going to talk about teacher. So, teacher teach students in school. They always wear decent clothes. They always support children in study. They always help children. How can you achieve your goals? And many many children's but most of the children's misbehaving with the teacher, and many schools and colleges 50 students study in only one classroom, and they teach they teach 50 students in only one teacher, and many school and colleges many schools and colleges teacher work do other things with work, like elections and advertisement schools and colleges, and calling parents, paying for fees. But it is very wrong, because teacher work only for study students. So study students, because teacher is very important in our life, because without teacher you cannot do anything. Teacher is important role play in our life.
Next, Anushka.
Yes.
Clap for Anushka now.
Good morning, everyone. This is Anushka. Today I am here. I am going to talk about teachers. A teacher teaches students in a school.
Teacher wears.
Wear decent and simple clothes. These lessons guide the students or help them, and other things. Build the future and of the nation. Importance for qualities.
It's okay. You can be up and down.
Knowledgeable, patient, and
Teacher should be. Teacher should be.
teacher should be knowledgeable, patient, and responsible, and kind. And skills, good communication, good listening, and solve the problem. Value, encourage students and
Motivate students.
motivate students. Treat everyone
Amit, come faster. Clap for him. Good morning, everyone. I am Amit Prajapati. I am talking to. I am speak about the farmers and his life. He is a very hardworking. His life is not easy. He get up early in the morning at 3 a.m. Firstly, he is cooking food with domestic animals. He is very kind and polite and honesty. He is going to harvest and feels grow up the, grow up grow, grow, grow the crops and feels many different crops. He came back to the home at 11 a.m. He is cooking own food and after that he eat foods and then he rest sometimes. He takes rest. He take rest sometimes. Then he get up and cooking food for domestic animals at 3 p.m. After that he is going to the harvest or field. I think you are talking about farmer. You are talking about your grandfather. Huh? Grandfather, right? Because सारे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल वो आप वो बता दें गाय कैटल्स he, he came back after 7 p.m. He cooked food and eat them. He usually very simple clothes. He usually wears simple clothes. My farmer farmer is a backbone of our country. We should always respect and support our, our farmers and other peoples. He is helping other domestic animals injured. Thanks. Ashu, come faster. Clap for her. Good morning. Hi.
Morning everyone, I'm Shina. I'm here to talk about surgeon's life. A surgeon is a doctor who treat many diseases and injuries. He worked in a surgeon work in a operation, OT section. He saves lives and many people's he wear a white coat and a stethoscope is neck. And in OT section, he wears the blue and the green dress, and he wear a mask on his face and some glasses and a cap in her head to protect our body. And he washes their hand. Surgeon washes their hands to clean ourselves and performing surgeries. A surgeon's job is very hardworking.
Importance.
Surgeon importance is surgeon is very important in our life that they save our life. They are called as second doctor in our life because surgeon second God in our life because they save our after God.
They save our life after all. Okay, so you know the five criteria. First is who, second is appearance. Third is quality. Fourth is, बताओ fourth में क्या आएगा? Work. And fifth is important. Okay. So now, those who are left, those who haven't spoken, I am going to give a task that I am going to give any person, and you have to talk about using these 5 criteria. You have to speak about that person. Got it? You do not have to come here. While sitting, you have to speak. Any person, any profession I can give. Got it? So let's ready. I want everyone. Can you please turn your chair like that? Beta, can you turn your chair? Can you sit there? Okay. So let's start with you, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. Who is that person? How does he look? Okay, what is his quality and what work he does and what is his important, what is his contribution towards the nation? Start. हाँ एक भी बोलना better is.
Virat Kohli is a person who is a very good cricketer and he is very down to earth person also. He na- in in this time Virat Kohli also launched his new brand One Eight which sells shoes and then he collabs with a singer Karan Aujla. So for the promotion of his quality is a very good cricketer. He makes runs and he has very much fan following as we know that he has not won uh, a single match from 18 years in RCB. Then also he has a very high fan following. They believe in
Quality, good quality, what quality he has.
he has a quality that he he scores very much run and he's a very good player. He's a batsman and fielder. Uh, he, uh, he is a very important person. Also, as well, won very he has won very important matches for India. For example, India and Pakistan and a World Cup.
World Cup.
World Cup.
2011. 2011 World Cup we won. Okay, and recently IPL 2 times.
I,
Good clap for him. आपने किसके ऊपर लिखा है? पापा के ऊपर. Okay. Your topic is Narendra Modi.
Modi as the Prime Minister is very and very
Okay, one thing. ये याद रखना कि ये जो अपीयरेंस है, अपीयरेंस में आप उस पर्सन की पर्सनालिटी बता सकते हो. जैसे मैंने डॉक्टर को बताया था कि डॉक्टर को कोट वगैरह पहनता है ना, और स्टेथोस्कोप. लेकिन अगर मैं पर्सनालिटी की बात करूं लाइक नरेंद्र मोदी, ठीक है, तो नरेंद्र मोदी हैज अ वेरी स्ट्रांग बिल्ड body. Okay, and he is also known as the 56 inch का सीना. He is also known as 56 inches chest. Okay, so which consider him that he is a very strong person. Okay, he wears generally the kurta and pajama, right, and he always wears in the white. He sometimes whenever he has to travel the other country, he wears the turban as well. तब उनकी अपीयरेंस बता सकते हो कि कैसे दिखते हैं. He is a fat, thin, okay, tall, beard. He has a white beard. Stop. स्टार्ट करेंगे हु। नरेंद्र मोदी से हु बोलना नहीं है, बस स्टार्ट करना। नरेंद्र मोदी थे प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, and in top of my opinion, he is very decent person and he is very wearing the kurta pajama and he always clean clean his clothes and neat and clean. His clothes is always neat and clean. Whenever he went he goes to other country and he talks everybody politely and his quality is very honesty. He's very honest person. Whenever he is very very politely, very clearly, which is everybody understands he is saying, and his work is how to grow our country. He is a focus. Uh, he is focused on our country that what will be our country and how to grow our country. He every time other country with why because he wants to more technology come he wants to bring more to bring some technology in India. And he uh, always as he is our prime minister of India, so he is very important person for our nation. But he is in defense of our country, uh, and I or मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? I can what I can our country. Every time he thoughts and he how to develop our country. Well done. Good. You will be talking about Nirav Modi. Right? Who is Nirav Modi? Businessman. देश का पैसा लेके उड़ गए।
हाँ अच्छा वो
हाँ नीरव मोदी।
फिर से मूवी बनी है
मूवी
यस पागल
वो तो विजय माल्या है।
नहीं नहीं मूवी बनी है और जोना खान की पागल
Do you know about him, right?
a little bit थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा
Any businessman you know, name it. Okay, I'm giving you. Ambani. Which Ambani? We have two brothers of Ambani. One is Anand Ambani is a son.
son of
Mukesh Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani is a father. Grandfather. Dhirubhai Ambani is a grandfather. Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani. Anand Ambani is a son. बेटा है। बताओ। मुकेश अंबानी। Reliance, he has a Reliance. You.
and is a who realize and real estate companies and Geo also and his appearance is actually wearing a suit black suit and
Quality. Businessman. Appearance. You can talk about he wears formal, informal, on the clothes. Okay. He wears according to the occasion, according to the meeting, according. He बताओ।
he wears clothes usually formal and formal according to the occasions and meetings and his qualities are he is a very smart, gentle, and clever person in the business and he know how to do the business he know how to buy anything without paying taxes and और वर्क में इसका प्रोफेशन बताओ इसे
Now profession बताओ, like he is a businessman, how many company he has, okay, talk about that, how much rich he is.
He has a lot of companies and real estate areas, and also he is a multi-millionaire in India. And, he is also the richest person in the India, and
Why is it he is important for India?
because he support our economy. He support our economy. He gave us so many people jobs, and he एक टावर था अगर मैं उसके टैक्सेस के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ तो
Add go to last के point में. If I share my opinion, so you will talk about the taxes and everything.
uh,
For running a nation,
running a nation,
for running a nation, such kind of people are required. And Texas, you were talking about.
बस यही एक टैक्सेस बताते ही लोगों ने
Actually, government also give them subsidies so that they can grow more and more business and they can contribute it to the economy. Okay, next we have you. Hello, right? Hello. For you is uh, do you have interest in Bollywood? Not in movies. Okay, so you are going to talk about Rahul Gandhi. Nowadays he is working. He is doing actually a job. He is learning each and every drawback. Greatest second greatest party opposition. Nowadays he is also supporting the nation. He is also supporting the common people. He is participated in a youth protest. Right? He talks about CBSE scam. बताओ, by the looking his personality. देखो एटलीस्ट कोई तो ऐसी पार्टी है जो इस मुद्दे को लेके आ रही है, नहीं तो कॉमन लोगों की बात कौन सुनेगा. कर तो रहे हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी प्रदर्शन तो कर रहे हैं, 7 दिनों से उन्होंने कुछ नहीं कहा है. They haven't even anything. Yes, hunger strike is going on and we youth are not even aware about it. Ujjwal Babu admitted in the hospital. So many genuine students, they are on a hunger strike admitted to the hospital, but no one is talking about them. No news channel is covering this kind of news, right? At least one political party, one person is coming and he is raising the voice. And our news channel, our media corrupted. Whatever he does, they always take out the bad point. They always take out the bad impact that to trash his image. But these days, he is actually working.
Rahul Gandhi is a figure,
Political figure.
political figure, and his appearance is like he wears a formal clothes sometimes when
प्रॉपर
he
तरीके
goes
से
to
बताओ कि कौन सी पार्टी से कहाँ से है, ये सारी चीजें बताओ.
Congress.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
He belongs.
Rahul Gandhi is a
Rahul Gandhi is a figure who belongs to Congress party, which is against what all party who is appearing to what as a competitor. He's a he wears mostly traditional dresses, but sometimes when he goes to election, he wears a white clothes which shows peace
and his quality is educated toward, like he's educated toward the nation, and he's also generating some information with talking to by talking to farmers about their problems, about with childrens and some teenagers about their problems in case of education, and he's also facing some poor religions or poor peoples who are facing some difficulties in health. They're all he's also working on it. Because of his education, he knows that life is important. His work is a politician. He's working as a politician. He's a election. He's a member. He's not a member of election. He's a leader of that election for a Congress party. He's the main leader for that. The importance, if we talk about his importance is he can lead the nation also, but in a kind manner because he's. Now your opinion for this. My opinion, whether we see most of the times in past he's not working properly, but in today's time he's showing that he can do anything. Like whether the problem is big or small, he can find the solution. He's working on it. See, when we are very young, we also commit so many mistakes. What if अगर हमें बस लोग उसी के लिए ट्रोल करते रहे, तब तो हम कुछ सीख ही नहीं पाएंगे, तब तो हम कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, right? So similarly, he was educated from abroad. Okay, he is very bad at Hindi. When it comes to the Hindi, he was very bad at it. So when his initial stage was started, when initial political party he started leading it, so he committed so many mistakes in Hindi, his idea, he thought his ideas was actually good, but when he started representing in Hindi, so it becomes somewhere wrong. Lessons are not easy at. Yes, and people are saying that he is a political figure, he must be correct and good articulated. That is why his image was trashed. And now he is actually, he has 1 year completely, he has done a ground, he visited each and every village and meet with the farmer and talk about his problem, right? So 1 year completely he has done the ground reporting, ground visit each and every farm, and now he has created his one organization where the youth can participate and raise their voice, and that is why in this one there is a need, and CBSC scam was also highlighted because of this, and opposition are very much important. Otherwise, those who are in a government, those who are in ruling party, they will take decision their own, right? Without considering that whether it is good for it or not, right? So suppose that if they are the maker of law, okay, और वो अपने benefit के लिए सोच रहे हैं और आपका participation ही ना हो, so whatever they think that good for them वो कर लेंगे. You are here to raise the question ki whether it is going to benefit our national people or not, whether it is going to good for the farmer, whether it is going for the common people, it is good for the common people or not, right? तो opposition का होना बहुत important है, question करना बहुत important है. Okay, so next we have you. Okay, so your topic is um, one figure I have in my mind. Okay, Rakhi Sawant. Answer. He is very much famous. Do you know? Rakhi Sawant, you don't know. How many of you know about the Rakhi Sawant scene? and scrolling her reels.
वैसे जानते नहीं मतलब उसको उससे मतलब जानते हैं
कैरेक्टर नहीं पता
मतलब
देखा है
देखिए पॉडकास्ट वगैरह देखिए
yes podcast she is a very
मतलब फ्री मतलब कुछ भी मतलब है
she is outspoken she speaks anything she does anything whatever gives her name and fame and in a limelight she done twice marriage two times she got married okay two times or three times maybe okay so one there was a proper serial was made Rakhi ka Swayamvar it came on the television and whom she got to marry then she didn't marry like वो पूरा जो है reality show था and after that she had chosen one boy and then she didn't with that boy she didn't marry with that boy it was just reality show but not real then after that she got married twice
आफ्टर उसके बाद रिलेशनशिप हो गया
after that she married twice and recently she got divorced and whether it was just a publicity stunt because she her main motive is to come on limelight that's all so your topic is um, Gandhi ji Gandhi ji
टॉपिक से अच्छा बता सकते हैं
so ये तो universal है so anyone can speak about the Gandhi ji his ideology and how does he look okay why he is the father of our nation start
I talk about Gandhi. Gandhi is the father of the nation. The world.
in the world India
I talk about his appearance. He generally wear uh, dhoti and turban.
he used to have a gamcha he used to have that scarf
And he protects our India from Britishers and he is he shows his very big role in our India. If he is not there at that time, we are not free from Britishers yet. And Gandhiji is the first man who protects against Britishers, and he always do help farmers and any other people. If someone go went for help, he don't. Uh, he usually help her or his person in their life, and if he is not there, the Indians also not protect ourselves at that time. He is the only man who start protest from against Britishers, and he encouraged people to stand up by themselves and get against the Britishers. Because of him, the people also get courage to get protest and take stand of their life, and farmers also take that courage uh, to fight with Britishers. If I talk about his qualities, he is we have multiple types of quality. He is very honest to our nation and he always helpful for Indians. He always ready for protest and do any kind of thing just for people. And if I talk about his work, he generally do protest and he's a lawyer also.
By profession, he was a lawyer,
lawyer and
and he has participated in various kind of protests. Can you name few of them?
like Champaran protest,
Hmm.
Dali March, South March,
Hmm.
and all protest they had.
Okay. Importance.
Importance is very important for India and for people also because of because of it we are really independent from Britisher and we do any kind of thing right now.
Mhm. Just because of him.
It's just because of
Okay, so now you understood that how to speak about any person, right? Did you understand? By using these 5 points, you can speak about any person, right? It can be a famous personality, non-famous personality, and you can also talk about the appearance of that person. Is anyone left? Everyone has done? Right. So, for tomorrow, your task will be to describe any place, right? Describe any place. What can you describe about a place? Place में क्या क्या बोलोगे? हाँ.
location infrastructure.
चलो हम ले लेते हैं. It can be place can be any city and any country. Okay, city and any country. So first you will be talking about that which city you are selecting. Suppose that you are living in Haryana, so you can also talk about Haryana or you can also talk about Delhi, any famous city. Okay, so like Delhi. So Delhi is a place. Delhi is known as the capital of India. Okay, and फिर इसके सब कैटेगरीज क्या क्या आ जाएंगी कि दिल्ली इज फेमस फॉर व्हाट? किन चीजों के लिए फेमस है? राइट, किन चीजों के लिए फेमस है? क्या लैंग्वेज यहाँ पे बोली जाती है? फेवरेट यहाँ पे जो है फेमस फूड क्या है? ठीक है, हमारा जो है कि जो कैपिटल है, इट इज अ कैपिटल, यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क होते हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स प्रेसिडेंट हाउस इज इन दिल्ली. Okay, most of parliament session happens in Delhi. Supreme Court is located in Delhi, right? And most of MNCs are located in Delhi, NCR, Gurugram, and the Noida side. So you can also talk about it. So because Delhi is the capital of India, so that is why most of administrative work happens in Delhi. Got it? Then Delhi is famous for which culture? दिल्ली में कौन कौन से कल्चर है, कौन कौन से हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस है, कौन कौन से जो है फूड फेमस है वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, ठीक है, और लैंग्वेज कौन सी बोली जाती है. नाउ बिकॉज इट इज अ कैपिटल, सो यहाँ पे कोई स्पेसिफिक लैंग्वेज नहीं है, मोस्टली पीपल स्पीक इन हिंदी. बट बिकॉज दिल्ली इज अ वेरी डाइवर्स सिटी, सो अ वेरियस village people they come to Delhi for job purpose. So you can see it in Delhi, you can find the Punjabi, you can find the Biharis, you can find people from UP, Haryana. Okay, these all are people coming to the Delhi for their study, for good health facilities, and for jobs. Right? And you can also talk about the place like country. Country like India, country like USA, country like Japan, China. You can also talk about China. You can also talk about Japan. Why the Japan is famous for, right? Why Canada is famous for? Where the Canada is located? कहाँ पे located है हमारे globe पे? किस side में? North side में है, south side में है? कहाँ पे है? Canada. Yes. इंडिया कहाँ है? इंडिया नॉर्थ में है. तो यहाँ पे बर्फ भी नहीं पड़ रही है.
अब हम देखते हैं.
नॉर्थ साइड. ठीक है। और इंडिया जो है वो हमारे जो है मिडिल में पड़ती है, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, यू नो, जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा हीट पड़ती है, सन की रेज एकदम डायरेक्ट होती है, दैट इज व्हाई इंडिया में इतनी ज्यादा गर्मी पड़ती है। ठीक है, तो इंडिया इज लोकेटेड इन ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, इन मिडल पार्ट, राइट। सो यू कैन ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट इट, अगर आपको पता है, अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं कि किस एरिया में जो है कोई कंट्री लोकेटेड है, यू कैन ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट इट। तो फेमस लैंग्वेज, फेमस फूड, फेमस कल्चर, famous festival, you can all talk about it. Got it?
Yes.
Abhay, what you are looking by class के बाद? Got it? So tomorrow I want each and every person to prepare about the topic. कोई मुझे आके ये नहीं बोलेगा मैम मैंने तो प्रिपेयर नहीं किया, मैं तो कहीं बाहर घूम रहा था, ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा ऑफिस के काम में थोड़ा बिजी था, ठीक है मैम मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा था, आई एम द आउटर जोन। Got it? So everyone has to speak. कोई इतना डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक नहीं है कि यू कैन नॉट प्रिपेयर अबाउट। आप अपनी कंट्री के बारे में जानते हो, आप अपने जो है प्लेस के बारे में, जहाँ आप रहते हो, हरियाणा में रहते हो, हरियाणा में क्या चीज फेमस है? कुछ भी नहीं फेमस है। हाँ, अनुष्का के लिए तो कुछ नहीं फेमस है। लैंग्वेज, लैंग्वेज बताओ, लस्सी। अरे हरियाणा इज वेरी गुड प्लेस। हरियाणा, हरियाणा एंड पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड पंजाब शेयर इट्स कैपिटल। क्या है कैपिटल हरियाणा? चंडीगढ़। और किसकी कैपिटल है? पंजाब। पंजाब और हरियाणा दोनों की कैपिटल है चंडीगढ़। यू कैन आल्सो टॉक अबाउट फैक्ट अबाउट द हरियाणा। Okay, now I will not going to take you much of the time. Go prepare on this topic. Have a nice day. I'll see you tomorrow with preparation.